Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a short, simple program using System on Perl to open PDF files. And we're going to be opening this file here on my desktop called Test. Okay, so let's create a path there. So my scalar path is going to be equal to C://users mark on desktop. So this is the path to my desktop here. It's not the path to your desktop, so you will have to check out what the path to your desktop is, because if you simply type in this you'll get an error. So I've done CHDIR here, which is change directory, to this path, which is the path above. Okay, I'm going to create a subroutine called open PDF. This is going to open the PDF file, and we're going to print enter PDF file. So the user will enter the PDF right there, and then we're going to get the user input using chomp my scalar entry is equal to standard input. We'll get what the user types in there, and now we're going to use a conditional called if, and then we're going to use a flag and an E, so, and then scalar entry. So if scalar entry exists, we're going to do something, and this is where we use the built-in function here called system. So system, and then we're going to put start scalar entry. Okay, so we're going to start the PDF file, or else if that's not the case, if PDF doesn't exist, we're going to have to tell the user that. So we use the else here, the catch-all as I call it, print, and we tell the user the scalar entry that they entered not found. Okay, and now all we have to do is call this open PDF and save it, and we're going to open that PDF file. I think it was called test.pdf. Hit enter, and there you go. We've opened it. There's your PDF file. Let me just close that there. Let's try something else. Let's type in something that's not there. xxx.pdf. Hit enter. XXX PDF not found. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. If you've not already subscribed, I don't send out invitations for it. There's a button below that you can hit and subscribe to the channel. So I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.